Roscoe here. Now I don't know if anybody of you know that, but I've actually got a honey stand at the front of my house. I live in a rural part of Queensland and I sell plants and honey for sale at the front. I'm going to show you how I prepare honey today and put it in the tubs and get it all ready, and I'm going to show you what you might need. First of all, you need the containers. Use your basic food-proof containers. I have the labels, the multi-purpose labels. I have the stamp. Give me the batch number and made in Australia or produced in Australia and all the other details needed. Got the scales, and of course we have the honey. Now we're getting our honey from a few sources, but our main source in winter has been Jeff from Budrum. He's got a channel on YouTube. You probably know him. He's quite well known as a beekeeper. So check him out. Wilma and Jeff Budrum. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is get the tear weight. Let's reset this. Turn it on. Get the weight of the lid in the container. That's the tear. Now we're going to put the honey on. We're going to put up to 800 grams in. I already started doing this one. Okay, so we measure 800 grams. Sometimes go over, but we're never under. 800 fits in the container really well. Okay, there's the 800 in that one. Put the lid on. Make sure it clicks down. Will do. I already started to drip the edge. Wipe that up a bit. It can get sticky and messy, honey. Here we go, next one. Just a little bit quicker this time. $600. $700. Start slowing down. $797. $798. Over 800. Put the lid on properly. Now I'm going to get myself a honey gate. In the meantime, this is how I do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's slowing down. 750, 770, 780, 790. 800. So there's 10 litres in this tub that we've got, and it should work out that we should be able to get 12 800 containers. Beautiful honey, eh? Absolutely delicious. Okay, I'll truly open that one. Now, sometimes when we have a good week, we're still on? Yeah. Sometimes when we have a good week, we sell about 30 litres a week. So that's pretty good. That's $300 worth of honey per week that we sell. Now I can't tell you how much we get it for, but we make a decent profit. When I'm done here, I'll take you out and have a look at the stand that we use. So yeah, we're selling 30 litres on a good week. 30 litres just at the front of our house. We're in a corner block, so it's we're in a corner block. We're in a tourist area. There are lots of tourists passing by. So it works out well. $7.50. $8. Put the lid on properly. These lids are very secure. Keep going. 2, 3, 400 grams, 500, 600, 700, and that'll be 800. That's well, truly over 800 there. On firmly. That's it. Next one. Basically keep going, right? We get all these 10 litres done. 600, 7, slow it down a bit. 800. Snap that lid on. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Slow it down. 760. I'm not sure if I'm going to bore you with this whole video. Exactly 800, imagine that. Got it right up. Okay, next one. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know if you can see that, but you probably can't on video. 6. Handy set of scales. 780. 790. 800. Put that lid on nice and firmly. We're still on. Unbelievable. Let's go. Keep going. 2 more. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 790. I hope we've got enough for one more. I haven't wasted so much. 795. Give him a little drop there. Just get a roll through the other. Okay. So yeah, in Australia we can basically sell it at the front of our house. As long as it's food that won't go off, or not, obviously not off, you're pretty much right to sell honey and fruit and vegetables. Sell some plants. I have the stall, or the table, inside our property, so there's no complaints. It's not on the council property. It's not on the nature strip. Here we go. We're just going to get it. $7.95, $7.96, $7.97, $7.98, $7.99, $800. Alright, put the lid on, and that's 12. I'm going to show you how much is left of the not much left there. Okay. Alrighty, now what we're going to do, put my camera down a little bit. Is we're going to stamp labels. See that? Really going to save you a lot of time if you get a stamp. Because my writing is shocking. I'm going to use stamp anyway. So it says pure honey, batch number, net weight 800 grams, product of Australia. Now, it's supposed to be a requirement if you're selling food to put the weight and where it's made, and a batch number is helpful too. So that's what we've kept it to. Okay, so we put the labels on. Two. Three. Four. Five. Can I put that upside down? No. Six. Seven. Eight. 9. 10. 11. Last one. 12. Alrighty. So, that's all our honey. From the 10 litres. All I got to do is clean this up now. And I'm going to show you at the front where we sell the honey. And hopefully we'll sell another 30 litres this week. The weather is starting to warm up. No rain. When it rains we don't sell as many, because people just don't want to get out the car in the rain, right? I just do a double check, make sure all the lids are on properly before I put it out. Just give it a spin and you can really tell whether the lid is on. Whether the lid is on or not. Okay, see, this one's not on, see, so let's clip it down like that. Make sure this one's on. This one is on. This one is on. This one is not on, so you can probably see it's raised up a bit. Clip it down, we're going to make sure that lid is on. So we're not, nothing is compromised in this honey. Absolutely make sure that the lid is on. Alrighty, so the next thing I'm going to show you outside. Alrighty. So this is our this little honey stand. We've got the camera in use same, we've got the cash box, we've got the honey. And that extra bench here I put my plants on. And we've got a camera up there because we've had some recent thefts. So that's basically where we sell the honey.